Good morning, I'm Charlotte, the Gulf Coast Granny, and this morning we are going to make some vanilla simple syrup. This is something that I make for the kids every week or so because they like vanilla in their coffee. And those great big bottles of syrup are expensive, but making it at home is not. This is such an easy recipe. 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar. We stir it until it's combined. We turn up the heat and let it get to a boil. Now you don't want to boil it for too long because if you do, it will start to make candy. And what happens is when you pour the syrup into whatever container it is that you're using, you will slowly start to see it turn to sugar. You don't want that for your syrup. You want it to stay syrupy and pourable. Okay, our sugar has come to a boil. We're going to take it off the heat, and we're adding 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla syrup. Please use pure syrup. Don't use the imitation type because it will really take away from the flavor. Stir it up. Okay, now we're just going to pour the syrup into these canning jars. Put the lids on. And the rings, finger tight. And now my kids are going to be able to enjoy their coffee all week long. They just got out of school for the Christmas break last Friday, and they've been screaming at me to get some vanilla syrup made. And you know, you don't just have to use this for coffee. You can sweeten your hot tea with it, cold drinks with it. You can use it in cocktails. So it's a really versatile thing to make. Really handy around the holidays because, you know, a little more cocktail drinking during the holidays. I hope that this was helpful. Leave me a comment below and tell me if you think you might want to make some of this. Y'all have a great day, and I'll talk to you again real soon. All right?